This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Madelyn Lamartiniere. Welcome to Timber Trails, the perfect one-street subdivision off Highway 31 in Breaux Bridge. Short 5-minute drive north of the Breaux Bridge exit. This home features an open floor plan, stained flooring, and gorgeous granite counters in bathrooms/kitchen. Covered parking, patio area, and impressive walk-in primary suite closet. Built in 2023. Lease purchase option available. For more information, review the details below or contact Madelyn Lamartiniere at 337-849-7377.